Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the lock screen, background picture, weather and widgets and other items on Windows 11. To remove everything from the lock screen, click on the start menu and open settings. On the left side, go to personalization. Now scroll down and click on lock screen. To change or remove lock screen background, go to personalize your lock screen and from drop down menu select picture. You can also choose a picture here. Now to remove weather and other information, go to lock screen status and from drop down menu select none. To remove background from sign in screen, turn off show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. Your lock screen will now be clean with no weather or extra information. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.